and it goes straight up. Check that out. Pretty cool, right? Here are the inner workings of our tractor, along with all the specifications. So if you're ever wondering what needs maintenance on this, you can see this handy little chart right here. And it shows the oil and filters and grease points and how often they all need to be checked and serviced.
I always find it super interesting how there's no really words, it's just numbers and arrows, because these tractors get shipped all over the world. And so anybody from anywhere can figure out where to grease it and when to grease it. So that's pretty cool. Remember when we saw a tractor just like this down in Argentina?
We have seen tractors like this everywhere. And now we have one on our farm. It's a good thing I'm so skinny I can fit back here. Layer 1. It smells like smoke.
Well, it's still kind of blue. Better than I expected.
Better than I expected. I wish you guys could smell this though. It smells straight up like burnt grass. That can't be good. You smell that?
Yeah, kind of smells like the trigger.
You guys hungry for some steaks? The inside looks very blue. Just good. Means it's been protecting our tractor.
Yeah, I was honestly expecting way worse, and I think we can keep running it. I've seen way, way worse.
So these paper filters, do you guys think that taking an air compressor to them ruins it? I've seen some comments about that. There's definitely some discourse. Like if I were to blow this out with high air pressure, does that ruin the filter or not? What do you guys think?
I personally think blow it out all you want, because there's a secondary air filter. So this one I'm not gonna blow out, but that one is a tighter tolerance than this one. This one gets all the big stuff. So keep blowing this one out, but just keep that one in at all times. That's secondary layer of protection.
Well, we'd love to hear your thoughts, but all in all, I think we're pretty good. I think this should be good to run for planting season.
Those filters aren't cheap either, so.
What's the price tag on this big one?
Definitely over $100. Give it a little twist.
There we go.
I think that filter's bigger than the old tractor's filter.
It's in nicely.
There you go. I moved it so it didn't fall on you.
Thank you. There we go. We're all set.
Gonna keep looking this thing over. Ooh, I see got a bird nest. There's some grass in there.
A bird's already been making its home in our tractor?
That's not good. We should definitely get that out of there because the exhaust is up there.
A lot of components on this thing.
That's probably why it's so expensive. Happy Valentine's Day.
I'm going to be milking this present for a long, long time. Is it a nest or is it debris?
I don't think it's a nest. I think it's just debris.
Built up from our adventures?
Right by the turbo.
It looks like a mouse nest to me. And you guys know how I feel about mice. Now, while the tractor is looking pretty good, the skid steer is looking a little bit worse for wear. Not this time, but the last fire that we fought with our equipment, the skid steer put in some serious work and paid the price. It drove straight through the fire, and the tracks are splitting now. Here, here, here. I think it'll be okay, but definitely got some wear and tear. But you know what? It's okay, because we own equipment like this because we want to help our neighbors in any way that we can. And we were able to help that neighbor put out so much of his fire. And that's the kind of stuff that our parents and grandparents raised us to do. Stop whatever you're doing and help out your neighbors in need. What an honor it is to be able to do that. And my goodness, what a beautiful day. The sun is shining, and in typical Nebraska spring season fashion, the wind has been blowing gusts up to 40 or 50 miles every single day. And today's the first calm, still day, and it feels great. And the Geo Tracker just got back from the shop. It is back in action and ready to roll. And with that, thank you so much for watching today's video. So glad nobody is hurt and our tractor is okay. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.